Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? Today is Saturday. I'm pumping out the videos, so you might see some videos and I'm wearing the same thing. It's the same day. I like to do my videos throughout the week and then also on the weekend, and then I edit them all on Sunday and I schedule them to release every day during the week. So if you ever wonder, like, girl, you look just like you did yesterday, I kind of, that's what I do. So I was tagged by Keto Michelle and Theresa, Keto Fat Girl No More, and in the weight loss tag. So let me pull up those questions. So I will leave a link below to Michelle and Theresa's channels. They both tagged me, and look at these little girly hairs. My hair is super just like insane. I don't even know why. It's very, very crazy today. So the first question is, oh yeah, I'll leave a, I'm everywhere. I will leave a link to their channels in the description box. You want to be in the video too? Come here, turn around. Come here. Come here and turn around. Turn around. You be in the video with mommy? No? Okay. All right. First question. When did you start gaining weight? When did I first start gaining weight? I started gaining weight probably in high school, but it wasn't like a lot. I thought I was fat. What teenage girl doesn't think that they're fat? And I look back now and I'm like, oh my God, you were not fat. I mean, I was thick. I wore like a size 15, 16. Well, you know, my best friend wore the same size as me, but all the other girls, you know, they wore like, I don't know, 10, 12 or something in junior high, high school. But after I had my first son when I was 18, 19 is when I gained weight. I went from wearing a size 16 pants to a size 22 after I had my son in the first year. I put on a lot of weight, a lot. I might have even been in a size 24. Honestly, I did not own a scale. I do not know how big I was. I do remember having a size 24 pants. I wore guy pants and sweatpants a lot then, and I was big. I was pretty big. I really don't know how much. I could have weighed well over 300. I don't know. Are you an emotional eater? I've come to realize that I am. I never thought that I was until I started keto, and the first time where I got upset, the only thing that could go through my head was I wanted to go to McDonald's and get a large fry, a large Coke, and a double quarter pounder with cheese. And I just I wanted a big greasy burger and French fries and ice cream and chips and dip and just like a shake, and I just wanted to stuff my face. And I never realized that I was emotionally eating, I guess, until that happened and then I had to think like, well, why am I suddenly craving this? Oh, it's because I'm emotional right now. I'm sad. I'm upset. So yeah, I guess I'm an emotional eater. It's crazy. It's weird that I went, you know, my whole life with not realizing that until just a few months ago, but yeah, I'm an emotional eater. How long have you been dieting? I don't know. I've never been on an actual diet except for keto, if you call keto a diet. I've never tried to count calories, really. Sort of, I did, I guess, but not really. There were a few times in the last couple of years where I had like MyFitnessPal and I was tracking my food and I was trying to stay under a calorie amount, but I wasn't paying attention to like how many calories were in things. I wasn't taking into consideration like where I could get less calories for more food. I wasn't thinking about anything like that. I was just recording it and being like, oh, look at how many calories I ate today. I mean, that's not really dieting. That's just looking at how many calories I was eating. I wasn't even technically really trying to stay under a certain amount of calories. I've tried to do the exercise thing. A couple years ago, I had gone to the gym for a couple of months and I was super pumped. I was like, that's it, I'm gonna go to the gym. But all I did at the gym was walk on the treadmill, and I did it for like 2 weeks and then I stopped. And then I paid for the membership for like 6 months afterwards and never went. I would try to do like little workout videos on my phone, and that stuff just never stuck with me. I'd get bored of it. I would just want to sit down and play video games or watch TV or just do whatever I wanted to do instead of going to the gym or working out. Eat whatever I wanted to eat. And I don't know, I just kind of thought like, I thought to myself, like, I just want, maybe one day I'll be able to get weight loss surgery. I mean, I didn't think that I would be able to get weight loss surgery because I know I would never be able to afford that, but I would just like, I wish I could have weight loss surgery and just get rid of all of this. Like, actually following a certain plan never crossed my mind. Like, I tried to look up the Atkins diet before and it was really confusing to me and I just didn't understand it. And then I tried to look up Weight Watchers before, but it's like, there were so many things that like, oh, if you want the information on this, you have to pay for it. I did try to take like the appetite suppressant things before. I would buy them every once in a while. And I think I would kind of like trick my mind into believing that they were working when they weren't. And then that would last for like a week and then I would just go back. So I can't say that I really tried, because if I really would have put in the effort like I did with keto, I'm sure I would have had some results, but I never had any results with any of that. And if I did, then I didn't know because I didn't have a scale. But I do know that like my clothes never got baggy and I just kept going up and up. And when I hit 300, that was like a really big thing to me. I had a scale and I was disgusted with myself that I had let myself get that big, and I just felt horrible and I hated to pass a mirror. I hated to look at myself. I hated everything. So then I found keto and I actually stuck with it and I started getting results immediately. And I think that the results happening so quickly is kind of what helped me stay on track with it. And I'm so glad, because now the rest is all falling into place. Like, I want to exercise, I want to do all these things, whereas before, no way in hell did I want anything to do with that. Are you following a diet now? If you call keto a diet, it's a diet. It's like a lifestyle. It is definitely a lifestyle change, but it is a diet. It is a form of diet, I guess. I'm watching what I'm eating. I'm only eating special foods. I am watching my calories. So yeah, I guess, yes. Have you had success in the past? No. And I pretty much already answered that. Do you follow a workout plan? Not any specific workout plan. I got my Fitbit. I make sure I get my 10,000 steps in a day. Well, I try to make sure I get my 10,000 steps in. I am going to start working out more. And sorry about that. I am going to start working out more. And I don't know. I know there's little things on here that you can do, like exercise things and stuff, and hopefully I'll start doing that soon. I feel like I'm gonna start doing that soon. I'll probably start today. What is your favorite diet? Keto. How much weight do you want to lose? Well, I've lost 56 pounds so far since November 1st, and today is May 4th, so 6 months, and I need to lose at least another 50 more. I weigh 241.8 currently, and I would like to get down to 190 is my goal. So that's, I would really like to lose another 40-50 pounds. Do you feel like you're addicted to food? I don't know. I don't know if I feel like I'm addicted to food or if I feel like I'm addicted to not caring. I mean, sure, there's foods that I miss, but at the same time, it's like, I feel like I'm more addicted to just not caring and doing whatever I feel like doing instead of doing the right thing, if that makes any sense. I mean, I guess I'm addicted to food in a sense because there are certain foods that just make me feel great, like, you know, junk food, chips and dip and popcorn and candies. I like candy, and I mean, I don't totally crave it all the time anymore, so that's good. But in a sense, yes, I'm addicted to food, but I feel like there's an even greater part of just laziness that I have, and I'm trying to kick, and I feel like I've been doing a pretty damn good job of that. Are you comfortable with your body now? I'm a lot more comfortable with my body now. I'm not completely, I'm not gonna lie, no, I'm not completely. I'm still very self-conscious about my body, but would I have ever posted myself in that video lifting up my tank top to show my sports bra in a video on Instagram and on YouTube anytime before? No. I'm getting pretty cocky, I'll tell you that much. I will wear a shirt even though I can see a roll. It might bother me a little bit, but I think to myself, you know what? Before, this roll was like 5 rolls and I feel pretty damn good about it, and I'm gonna wear it, and if somebody doesn't like seeing that one roll, F you. Do you deprive yourself of any food? I guess, because I'm keto, so I mean, I can't eat like flour and sugar and carbs, like a ton of carbs, so I guess in a way I deprive myself of food. I'm not gonna go eat a loaf of bread or or shove like a bag of sugar in my mouth, or you know, eat something that I know I'm not supposed to have that isn't keto friendly. So yeah, I guess I deprive myself of food. I deprive myself of that kind of food, but I don't deprive myself where I'm like gonna punish myself and starve myself for not reaching a goal. I do intermittent fasting, and I've done a 24-hour fast and things like that, but I don't consider that depriving myself of food either. You know what I mean? I'll eat when I'm hungry. I'm doing that for a reason. That's letting my body heal. That's letting my digestive system heal. So no, I do not deprive myself of food in that sense, but I do stay away from foods that I know I'm not supposed to eat. I'm not gonna go eat a bunch of junk food. I don't have cheat days. I did one cheat day on my boyfriend's birthday, February 16th, and it took me almost 2 weeks to get back into where I was. And I didn't feel good. I felt like crap. I don't want that again. And then a few weeks ago on Easter, when I ate a whole bunch of cabbage and gassy vegetables, I felt like absolute crap. My stomach hurt, I was bloated. I put on like 7 pounds in like 2 days. And it wasn't fat, it was bloating and water weight, and just, I did not feel good. Now, I didn't go over my carbs or anything, but from having all those gassy, bloating vegetables, it made me feel like crap, and I don't want to feel like crap. I like feeling good. I like feeling the energy. I like going out in the sun and the warmth. I like running and playing with my kids and taking my dog for walks. That's what I like to do. So that's my weight loss tag. I would like to tag some people now. So I want to tag the Countess of Low Carb. I absolutely love Elizabeth, and I will link her channel down below. I want to tag Erin Does the Keto. I'm totally obsessed with her channel. and she's hilarious. So Erin, I'm tagging you. I will link her channel down below. I would like to tag Keto Ginger. Totally obsessed with her channel. Absolutely love Amanda. I will leave her down below. And I would like to tag Keto Jinx. She's one of my besties here on YouTube, and I absolutely love her, and she's a newer channel. So if you guys haven't already subscribed to her, find her down below in the description and go check her out. Hopefully she will also do this tag. Also, I would like to tag Ella. Ella Loves Bacon. First YouTube channel that was newer that I came across when I started my channel. We were starting about the same time. Absolutely fell in love with that woman. She is amazing. She's hilarious. If you are not subscribed to Ella, you need to go check her out. She just hit 500 subs. Go show her some love. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.